Hello, good day and welcome. My name is Mr. JB and today we're going through a tutorial showing you how to create an outer glow. Now to start, we are going to duplicate our layer, which is just select and Control J. You can also right click and then select duplicate and it'll be the same thing. With our top layer, we're going to hit select and then remove BG, and it takes a couple of seconds to watch this ad, so I'll watch it and I will see you all in a second. Lovely. So with our background removed, we can see that when I turn on and off my other layer, we're going to right click on the top layer and convert it to a smart object. With that, we are now going to hit effects and we're going to go to outer glow. From here, we'll choose our color. I'm going to pick a blue and I'm just going to kind of find a more palish blue because I like how that looks on this image as I've been playing around. And I'm just going to end up adjusting my sizes. So adjust my size, adjust my spread, adjust my range to end up getting it looking how I actually want it to look when all is said and done. Click OK, and you'll notice that I've got this one line here which we don't want to end up having that glow on. If you just select your eraser tool, and then if you have any sort of spots that aren't right, it'll ask you to rasterize. You'll rasterize your image, and then we can just erase it. And it's only glowing whatever the image actually is. So wherever I erase, the glow is now going to form to that new shape, which is super cool and super handy. Now, if you're happy with it, cool, you can leave it here. I have one technique that I like to use that makes this outer glow pop a little bit more. We create a new layer and we're going to drag that layer below. The new layer button is just beside your garbage can. From here, I am going to select my brush tool and I'm going to select the soft round, and I'm going to make it the largest size that I can and make sure that it is selected as the color black. With that, I'm just going to end up putting a couple little clicks, and maybe it's too dark, and that's no problem. We just drop the opacity down, and that makes your background a little bit darker, but makes your image also pop a little bit more. You can kind of see that it makes those colors a little bit more vibrant because now it's got a darker background, and I find that just helps to make this look a little bit better. Now with that, that's all we're covering. Pretty straightforward tutorial in terms of how to use this function within PhotoPea. As always, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you learned something. Have a wonderful day, take care, and be safe.